Best Sport Touring Motorcycle Honda CB500X Review Entry-Level Touring Champion? In the fiercely competitive world of sport touring motorcycles, few machines manage to offer the perfect blend of affordability, capability, and approachability. The Honda CB500X stands out as a rare gem, a motorcycle that not only welcomes new riders into the touring fold but also impresses seasoned adventurers with its versatility and reliability. As we assess the 2025 model, the big question remains, is the CB500X still the best entry-level touring motorcycle on the market? Built for adventure, priced for everyone. At the heart of the CB500X is a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing a modest but efficient 47 horsepower. While it won't break land speed records, it's more than enough for real-world riding, including highway touring, weekend trips, and even light off-road exploration. The bike's engine is lauded for its smooth power delivery, fuel efficiency, and low-end torque, making it incredibly approachable for beginners while still satisfying more experienced riders. The upright ergonomics, tall windscreen, and comfortable seat contribute to its all-day touring comfort. A 19-inch front wheel adds a hint of adventure capability, giving the CB500X a mild ADV stance that's capable of tackling unpaved roads without fear. YouTube praise and community endorsement. The CB500X has enjoyed a huge following on YouTube, especially among moto travelers and entry-level bike reviewers. The popular channel at Itchy Boots documented long-distance travels through remote regions aboard the CB500X, reinforcing its reputation as a reliable globetrotter. Her adventures amassed millions of views, fueling renewed interest in the bike worldwide. Additionally, channels like at Fort9, at MCN, and at Adventure Bike TV have all praised the CB500X for its balance, fuel economy, and real-world touring capability, particularly in reviews comparing it to more expensive middleweight ADV and sport touring bikes. What's new in 2025? For 2025, the CB500X receives a mild refresh. Honda introduced a full-color TFT dash, updated LED lighting, and a more refined suspension setup, improving both comfort and road feedback. ABS is standard, and new rider aids such as slipper clutch and improved throttle response further cement the CB500X's place as a top pick for learners and value-conscious tourers. Final verdict: a true entry-level touring hero. The Honda CB500X is not just an excellent beginner bike, it's a touring machine that punches above its weight. Its proven reliability, approachable performance, and affordable price point make it a compelling option for riders looking to explore without overspending. Whether you're commuting, exploring mountain passes, or embarking on a cross-country journey, the CB500X remains one of the most capable and trusted companions in the entry-level sport touring segment.